In this video, we're going to take a walk around the new display for the 4007 ES. First off, this is a fully touchscreen display where there are no physical push buttons on the front of the panel at all. Here in the front, we have our fire, priority 2, supervisory, and trouble LEDs, along with an alarm silence LED and a power on indicator. So to be able to use the display, we simply touch it with either your finger or an approved stylus. I'm going to touch the display to get into the main menu. On the main menu, we have, starting at the top at the left, system information, followed by panel setup. We could view the alarm log or the trouble log. In the second line, we have a search feature, a system reset button, a hardware reset button. We can enter the diagnostics mode using the 8th button. We have a user access level, a lamp test, and a reports menu. On the far right hand side, we have our user defined buttons. These are buttons that are customized at a customer site to provide different functionalities such as control point bypass or to turn fans on and off. To be able to use this display, we simply move our stylus over to, we have our timeout feature that is a new feature in the 4007 ES. So inactivity timeout, touch screen to cancel, which I didn't, so now it bumped me right back to the main screen, which is what you'd see when you approach the panel. So I'm going to go back into our main menu, and to further demonstrate how this display works, I'm going to select the panel setup, and it will bring me into a different configuration. I can reverse course by using the left arrow key and come back to the main menu. So to look at the software that's inside the panel, I can look at our system information screen. That'll bring us over here. And for our system info, there's a second button here that says software revision. I press the software revision button, and it's going to present to me the information that I need as a technician to be able to work on the panel. So once I've written this down, or I take a look here, I can simply get out by going the left arrow, our return button, return button, return button, back to the beginning. Now if I want to use one of the right-hand user-defined buttons, again, we come over here, and if this one is, say, is bypass, I would press the user button 1, and then it would ask me to enter the passcode. So the functions are available on the main menu, but if they have a higher access level that's required to use them, it would ask us then to enter the passcode and continue on with the feature. So that's something that's new. So I'm simply going to back out here. I'm not going to use the feature. And so that's the operator interface of the 4007 ES.